and good morning. I'm somewhere in Blessington, moving towards Glendalough, and behind me it is this beautiful cloud inversion, or how should I say it, maybe some sort of a fog, but it creates layers, and I'm just having fun. I have this dark forest there, and then those dark trees, and then sometimes fogs create those peaks of layers, and it's just absolutely fantastic. I would say that it's worth everything. Like, I'm looking at this, it's absolutely a bliss for black and white photography. If you look on that side, the other side, it's also kind of mysterious. There are some trees covered in fog as well, and on the other side of the horizon it's just much more sunny. I'm just looking for a break in the sky, in the clouds somehow. Is this the best spot to take photographs? No, but that's what I have, and at the moment that's how I'll be shooting. I'm just waiting for the light to change the path, and we'll see what else we can get. I may stay around 5-10 minutes before going to the main objective of today. I have this lonely tree here, and it's just, I'm trying various perspectives. It's kind of nice because behind this there is some fog, some cloud inversions, and I think it looks good for a minimalistic composition. I'm just trying to get various shots at various focal lengths. Hopefully something will come out of this. Would you look at that? Would you look how the sun is diffusing in this area? You have this absolutely amazing layers that are there in front of us, and the more you stay, the more basically the light is changing and creates different patterns. And there at the base there is a sign, but that can be very easily cloned out. There's no point going closer because I have my zoom lens, but other than that I think I'll be staying here for a while just to take this image because it's absolutely glorious. It was a good thing waking up in the morning. I am surrounded by fog and I definitely want to do a long exposure as well. I don't know how much it will add, to be honest, because the clouds are not moving that fast, but I think I'll just get the whole kit with me, and we'll see what else we can get, because it's just too beautiful. Even if this will be the only photo from the trip, which obviously it won't be, I'll do some others. I think I'll still be happy. Okay, so those are the layers that I'm trying to capture. So that's that. Obviously ISO should be as low as possible. We'll go with ISO 80, maybe f16, and let's see now. The shutter speed should be at least 1/15. Yeah, to get a 1 minute exposure. I think it's too dark, so we can go to f11. Now it's just a matter of positioning the ND grad and get the remote control. Not the ND grad. There's no need for polarizing. I don't think so. We need the remote control. Do I have it? Of course. You see, these things should never leave your bag because you'll definitely forget putting them in black. We have much important things to do. Bulb mode, but obviously it was left on and done. Now I get a timer. 1 minute. This is what I like, because that break in the clouds makes all the money. That's the money shot, and it's absolutely amazing. Now I have never seen such a beautiful scene ever. Very rarely hear it. We didn't have too much fog. Tomorrow it's a complete foggy day. I have other plans for tomorrow. I won't be able to come here, and again, I don't know how much this long exposure will add to the drama that already exists, but I'll just do my best, and why not? Yeah, this is the photo. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's working, and you can see it here. It's probably better through the viewfinder. Layers and layers, and those are the layers that I'm seeing. Now the light changes completely. It's kind of going in and out. So I was quite lucky taking this photo, because now it's the light is completely different and less light. But anyway, we'll see what else we can get.
Lake, but I don't
Oh
think,
yeah.
I don't think we'll see much today. No, I don't get the clarity with the phone.
It's all right. Now I went there in the summer in the Hershey Lake, and there is a path.
There is. I know it very well.
Ah, okay, because I didn't see the path. I was just next to it, and it was so rough terrain, and then it was like 5 meters away. It was a beautiful path.
No,
I struggled.
I know it very well. There's 5 of us doing it.
That's great.
Nolig Naman, Ladies' Day today.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's an old Irish tradition. Today is called Nolig Naman, Christmas for Ladies.
Christmas for lady. Well, should I congratulate you, or how should I say?
It's the day that the women would not work on the farm. They would have a day off.
That's it.
So now women walk, they swim, they meet for coffee.
That's great. Yeah. So it's a good day ahead of you. See 2 other photographers there. That's nice. I think that's enough.
Can't focus on it.
It's all right.
I'm still getting
It's no contrast. That's why it's like an optical.
Come up here specifically to take pictures, yeah?
Yes.
Did you know
Well, I have an application. It shows me when there is fog. So, because fog creates these layers. Otherwise, there's no point coming. It will be clear. There is an app on the phone. It's called Windy.
And do you know what time the fog is?
Yeah. Well, in 2 hours. That's great. You're a photographer.
Now, I do take a lot of pictures, but
Yeah.
that's beautiful.
That's beautiful, yeah?
Like
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So I had this conversation with this very nice lady, and as you can see, she didn't have a fancy camera like mine. She just used her iPhone, but because I showed her how to do it and where to point the camera, actually she took a very nice photo. And you see the menace of mobile phone photography. It was always there, and I was always trying to counter that somehow, because you have to understand, like, why would you use your camera, professional camera, and not an iPhone? Today they are so good. Well, first of all, she used a digital zoom, right? So I have a real lens that I shot as 135 millimeters, so the compression was different. And but ultimately it doesn't really matter, because the light is there, composition is there. She still had the same layers like I do, so it was an equally good photo, unless you want to pixel peep, and then obviously I'm winning. But yeah, it's crazy where technology is, and it's just good that it exists. I will never give up to my cameras though, because I like the form factor. I just want to emphasize how important the light and composition actually is. And definitely you do not need a 50 or 100 megapixel cameras. Yes, images will be sharper, but without a good composition they are useless. Yeah, so I'm here at the Varty reservoir, and what can I say? I'm not quite happy with the composition, but I have a big cloud coming in the background, so maybe that will save the day. I'm not happy because the background is busy. Like, it should have been more fog or something else. I have those hills, and in black and white it doesn't really look that great. But I would just try, why not, with a 1 minute exposure. And we'll take it from there. We'll set the timer for 1 minute, and now we'll wait patiently. I have this cloud moving. At least I'm getting a much better background. There is a crow on the top of the of this pier, water structure, And other than that, the light is far from ideal. Should have been fog, basically. That's it, you know. Without fog, it's not that great. But what can we do? We have to live. We have to make photographs. There is a similar structure a little bit up the road, and I'll be photographing that as well, just to make a comparison and to understand what is happening. 18 seconds left. 1 minute is kind of enough, I think, because well, this is just like a lake. It's a water reservoir, so it's fine. You don't need more than that. 2 minutes will be overkill, unless you want a certain movement in the clouds or something funky like that. But oh yeah, it's beautiful. I think, let me check the sky is blown out. Okay, so let me get another exposure. I'm just going to shoot at f16. Did I focus? No, let me just check the focus to see. Yeah, the image is in focus, but I'll just shoot at f16 as well. Probably I need an ND grad, but we'll go ahead and we'll just take another minute for f16, and that will be the end of it. Or maybe we'll leave it for 50 seconds.